My people, hammer not dey gentle when e dey form gold. Sometimes God's blessing dey sound like blow, but inside the noise, na beauty dey show. No confuse process with punishment o. God dey hammer you into strength, so you go fit shine kingdom glory. The book of the Lord, Hebrews 12 verse 6, e talk am, God discipline the one wey e love. This one mean say, when life hammer dey hit you, check if it be say God dey build you for shine. Gold no dey fear fire o, na purification e dey do. Remember say, correction no be rejection, na molding process.
This na Greywood Whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.